to Kinder Mommy. Say hi.
Hi.
So today's activity is all about learning Jordan's name. So Jordan is going to learn his name, and I have made this puzzle a little complicated. So if you want, if you're doing it for starters for the first time, so what you can do is, instead of just draw coloring over here, you can just write down the letters, and you can ask your child to match. But what I have done is, you can see I have used all different colors. So Jordan has 6 letters in his name. Okay, so what I have done is, you can see, for example, like the color blue. So here, this is blue, so he has to match. And I really don't know right now he actually did this correctly. So I want to know whether I haven't tried this with him yet, and this is going to be the first attempt. So I'm just going to see in the first attempt. I'm not going to tell him anything. I'm just going to ask him. I'm just going to keep these and see whether he's able to match and he's able to identify them according to the colors. This is an amazing logical activity that you can try with your kid. Okay, so let's get started.
I want to fall. Orange. What? Okay.
Okay, so I'm just going to keep this, and I'm going to see how he does this on his first attempt. Okay, Jordan, let's see. Very good, J.
Woo!
Purple, okay. Good. And what is this letter?
Purple.
Letter D.
D. D.
O. Okay, very good. Wow, he's doing it. Okay, the next one. What is this? Letter R. And this one is? Woo! You did it. It's quite easy, right? Okay. So J O R D A N. Jordan. Jordan. Who is Jordan? Jordan. Very good. Okay. So match. We're going to mix and match. Okay. Wait. Always start with your. No. No, wrong. No. Always start with your first. What letter will go? J. And who is Jordan?
A few moments later.
What are you doing? Jordy, what are you doing? I don't know what he's doing. He's kind of touching, keeping them on his head, keeping the hearts on his head, and then such a cutie.
An eternity later.
I don't know what he's doing. So cute he is. Okay guys, so if you love watching this video with my cute little baby out here, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. We're gonna say now bye. Jordy, can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.